Today in this class we are going to learn about binary to decimal conversion. It is needed as a prerequisite of learning the bitwise operators in C programming language. In the previous video we have learned about the decimal to binary conversion. Actually the system knows only the binary number, and as a human beings we are going to provide them the decimal number. So this conversion is necessary. We will provide the decimal number, the system will convert it to binary, do the processing. Again the system will give us the output as a binary number, and the processing is again needed from binary to decimal so the human can understand it. So let's start. Let us assume we have to convert the binary number 11010 base 2 to a decimal number. We have to convert it to base 10. So what will be its procedure? We will write this binary number like this. Then we will put from 0 onwards from the right hand side to the left hand side. Then what we will do? We will do this mathematical operation, this digit into 2 to the power this power, plus then again this digit 1 into 2 to the power this power, plus 0 into 2 to the power this power, plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Now we were not bothered about these terms because these are multiplied by 0. We will these terms will be automatically cancelled. So what is happening? 1 into 2 to the power 4, that means 16, plus 1 into 2 to the power 3, that means 8. From the power table we can see it. We are ignoring this term. Then 1 into 2 to the power 1, that means 2. Then again we are ignoring this term. So the sum is 26 base 10. Therefore the result is 11010 base 2 is equals to 26 base 10. Let us take another example. We have to convert this binary number to decimal number. So we are putting 0 onwards from the right hand side to left hand side. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now what we will do? We will take the numbers from the left hand side to right hand side, and we are writing like this. The leftmost number digit is 1 into this 2 to the power 6 plus then 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So we will ignore this term that is being multiplied by 0. We will ignore this. Then what is we are getting? 1 into 2 to the power 6, that means 2 to the power 6 is 64. From the power table we can have it. So 64 plus 1 into 2 to the power 5 is 32 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 is 4. 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. So what we are getting? We are getting 101 base 10 as the answer. Hope now the process of binary to decimal conversion is clear to all. Now you can try these given questions at home and comment what is its decimal value of these given numbers in the comment box. If there is any problem, you can also comment that in the comment box. Now we are ready to read about the bitwise operators in C programming language, because we have learned what the binary number is and why do we need to convert the decimal number to the binary number, and the vice versa, binary number to decimal number. So all these things we will need to read about the bitwise operators in C programming language, that we are going to start in the next video. Thank you.